DC1369. Friday, December 3rd, 2021, 10:53 a.m. I think. These fingerprints, these chickadees are so great. Oh, my phone's upside down. These guys are so great. There's a don't pack. They're so great. One after another. Don't pack though. Hey, no packing. No packing. One after another. Oh, this one just came out of my phone. One after another. And I have no food or anything on me. Hey, no packing. We're at the Beaver Lake. Going around Beaver Lake again. It's chilly, but it's a nice. It's a good day. Nice day. These guys are great. I've heard some eagles, but haven't seen any yet. Back over the park. Other side, over the other side of the bridge. Causeway. Overpass thingy. But these guys are great. Hello, chickadees. Look, there's two. That one just went on my sleeve behind the phone. Wanted to see what I was doing. Quit pecking though. Don't peck, guys. This one's hovering. I hear a woodpecker. I don't know if it's in front of me or behind me, but I hear a woodpecker. I'm trying to figure out where it is now. There's a towhee. These guys don't come perch. And those guys don't come perch. But they do follow you and talk to you. See? Okay, I got a woodpecker to find. I don't think I'll find it though. I'm not getting in there. But it's up in here somewhere. That's that. That's that turkey somewhere falls. There's a woodpecker up there somewhere, but I will get to it. Unless it's on a tree I can see here. No. No, but I hear a woodpecker. Oh, hello. Hey, you're on the phone. You're on my phone. You're on the other side, I think. Oh. Oh, my flash is on again. I keep forgetting. I don't know why. Back to these great guys. So, yeah. I just want to say, these guys are great. You're so fun. Hey, no pecking. I hope the woodpecker's picking up because it's still pecking away. I just can't see it. But I sure hear it. Hey, no pecking. Oh, my hand's getting cold. No pecking. Hey. Hey, no pecking. It's not your food. No pecking. There's no food here. Where's my... Is that... Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good enough. Okay, ciao for now, guys. Oh, so wait, what are you? Oh, you're... What are you? You're a little woodpecker. That's a little woodpecker, guys. That's a little woodpecker. Wow. Wow. Hey. I don't know if that's a baby pileated or a... No, that's a little woodpecker. That's so tiny. But it's got the red woodpecker crest. Wow. Look at this little thing. I just signed off. Nice to turn around and... This is a bird I've never seen before. Wow, fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. That's a little woodpecker. What kind of little woodpecker are you? I'm gonna quickly pause and restart this guy's file size. But yeah, I'll be right back.